All right, guys, Suge and Allen here. Today we're going to give you a full room tour of our Oceanview Stateroom 2254 on Navigator of the Seas. Let's get this tour going.
Come on.
Okay, this is a room tour of Oceanview 2254 on Navigator of the Seas. Come on in. There's my assistant, Suge. All right, so when you come in, of course, you've got your assembly station here on the back of the door. You've also got your main light switch to turn all the lights off and on. Right across from you, you've got the light switch for the bathroom. So while we're talking about the bathroom, watch your step. Let's go inside. So not a real big, spacious bathroom, but it does have the sliding doors instead of those dreaded shower curtains. So I'm a pretty big guy. I'm fluffy. There's lots of room in there for me. You've got your shampoo and body wash there, your adjustable shower head, little rack to put some stuff on like a towel. Got your toilet down there. Got your towels over here. Hello. You've got storage over here to put some miscellaneous items. Of course, your sink and washcloths. A couple of glasses here. How many of you actually use these glasses in the bathroom? Kind of grosses me out. I never use them. Put it in the comments below. You got some additional storage down there. All right, coming out of the bathroom, you've got some storage here. This is not a whole lot of storage, but inside you've got some shelves that you can put your miscellaneous items on. Of course, some hangers and a place to put your suitcases down there. Coming out of the bathroom, you've got your desk. Got some drawers over here.
All right, so here, show you guys the different sizes of the drawers.
All right, got your hair dryer and Kleenex in that one.
Which is standard in every room. And you
got your center drawer. You've got like your stuff for continental breakfast that you can order. Okay, there's also a waste can underneath that. They always put that underneath the chair.
Yes.
We always move it and it always comes right back there. All right, you've got your vanity over here. One of our lights is out, but this is the switch for it over here. You've got two US plugs right there. Over here, you've got a European plug. You got Suge's margarita with extra salt on the rim. You got a full-length mirror here to check yourself out before you go explore the ship. They give you a chair right here. We've got our 2 level 8 luggage over here. Those are not included, but we highly recommend them. And then over here, you've got your king-size bed that can be split into 2 twins if you wanted to. A couple of nightstands, a phone. There are no power outlets over there, but there is a USB port on the side of the phone. And then we swing over here. We got our TV. Looks like it's about a 32-inch TV.
Yes, and you can turn it.
You can angle that, yes.
Okay.
We got our, you can call it a refrigerator or a cooler. Put your soft drinks or water bottles in there to help keep them cool. Let me give you a shot from the other side. There's our ocean view. We are in the port of Los Angeles right now, and you can see they are loading up luggage. We swing around over here. This is what the room looks like on the other side. We've also got the safe to put your belongings in. Not big enough for a laptop, maybe a small tablet, but you can put your wallet and passports, that kind of stuff, and some additional shelving up there. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this room tour. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of our adventures. We've got lots of room tours, ship tours, excursions, boarding days. You're looking for it, we've got it.
Yes.
And maybe click right over here to watch that next one, and we will see you on our next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.